Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing press-ons and I'm going to compare two application forms, one being glue and the other being acrylic. So before we get into that, let me get into doing the first set. So these are the nail tips that I'm going to be using to do the first nail set. So let me prep them. I'm going to use this primer to prep these nails. I don't feel like buffing them off, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. Right, so all of them are prepped, and then now I'm just going to apply this Wendy Beauty nude color number 31, my favorite. If you've been here before, you know how it is. I love it. So I'm gonna apply that base onto all my nails as a base except my ring finger. So I just removed it there so that I don't forget, and then apply this nude onto it. This needs a bit of shaking, but anyway, I want this nail set to be a quick one. I feel like these days I've been creating very boring sets. I don't know if I've just run out of creativity, but oh gosh, I think I need to get back to my bring back my creativity, whatever mindset. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think about the videos that I've been posting so far? Give me ideas. I need ideas. There is a nail set I want to do. I did get the suggestion from one of my lovely subscribers. I think her name is Naledi. I'm not sure, it's been a while now, but I'm gonna do it very soon. When I do it, I will post the screenshots because she sent the picture to me on Instagram and I appreciated it. It was a cow print nail set. I'm gonna do it very soon. So while those nails are curing, I'm gonna go in with black, the Wendy Beauty black number 01 for this ring finger. So I've noticed that with my press-ons, I don't need to apply base coat under my colors after I have primed the nails. They don't peel. I used to have this problem of nails peeling, especially in the beginning of my journey, and I never really understood why. I did buy different kinds of base coats, thinking I just didn't know what I was doing, but I think right now primer is the best. Doesn't peel at all. So let me cure that. Right, so now I'm just gonna pour out some of the black onto my mixing plate because I want to use the black and my liner brush to draw a simple design. I'm putting in a bit of effort for these press-ons, even though they're just for testing. I think I'm gonna use this brush. So I am going to use this liner brush to do this design. I want V Frenchies on 3 of my nails, although I'm going to show this pinky nail only on camera. Right, and then I'm gonna cure that and do the same thing on 2 of my other nails. All right, so while those other nails are curing, I'm gonna go on with this nail design that I want to do on the index finger. And excuse the sounds in the background. I'm gonna try not to speak much because my mom is playing music. But yeah, basically I just want a cross line. Okay, well, you'll just see the design as I do it. Okay, so while I wait for the other nail that I was working on to cure, I'm gonna apply top coat on all these nails, and then I will finish up the design. So I use this Geely Angel no wipe top coat. Right, while the rest are curing, I'm gonna be working on this nail. I am going to use this Wendy Beauty glue gel, and I'm gonna put on dots so I can apply my rhinestones on each place where there is a cross. And then I'm gonna use these rhinestones from Shein, of course, to put them onto the nail. I'm gonna use the second size because I feel like my lines are thick. I mean, you can hardly tell that there's anything there, but I would know, so that matters. Great, and then I'll cure that. Right, and while that cures, I'm gonna be working on this nail, final details of the nail. Let me pour what's left of this glue gel onto here, and then I'm gonna use this liner brush to draw there. I'm gonna pour glitter onto this. Right, and then without curing that, I am going to bring out this glitter, this little jar of glitter from Shein, and then I'm going to pour the glitter over the nail. And as always, tap off the excess and then cure. Right, so that is cured, and then now I'm just going to brush off the excess glitter so I can see the design better. Not the best, not what I had in mind, but it is what it is. Maybe I should have used acrylic instead, like have that sweater texture instead of the sugar effect texture. Okay, let me clean this up before I apply top coat onto the final nail. Right, and then onto the final detail or the final touch up of the nail. I have to top coat this one because I did apply I didn't put on this, I put on these rhinestones using glue gel, which is very tacky, so I'm just gonna cover those. I'm gonna run the top coat on top of the gems as well. It's okay, I'm sure that top coat will shed as time goes. So I'm gonna I'm gonna cure that. Right, and that is how set number 1 looks. I don't think I even mentioned that this was an inspo pic that I got from Instagram. I'm gonna put up the picture on screen. I think it's from Koji Beauty. And please just let me know what you think. Did I do it justice or did I butcher it? But that is set number 1. So on to set number 2. Okay, so set 2 was prepped, and then now I'm going to use this Mag K, I guess. You can't see that. It says Via Lactea or whatever. It's a milky white, so I want the base of these nails to be milky white, and I purposely chose the natural looking nails so that I don't have a clear base, but I just want that milky white to be the base of the nails. So I'm gonna apply this to all the nails. Basically all the nails are gonna be somewhat the same design, so I might have to show you doing one nail. Right, so for the design I'm gonna be using this Wendy Beauty color number 16, this Wendy Beauty color number 10, and this Blink Girl number 5 white color. So I'm going to be doing a marble, so I'm just gonna put blobs of these colors, not much, because it's not gonna cover the entire nail. And then I'm gonna go on with a dotting tool just to mix up the colors. I feel like I did put too much of that there, but it's okay. I feel like this looks more like a mess than a marble, but trust the process. Right, so I've done the same thing onto all the nails, and now for the final detail, I'm just gonna add, you know, a touch of gold here and there. I hope it doesn't ruin the set. It's not supposed to be thick. Just, you know, abstract lines here and there. Okay, I think that is not too bad, and then I'm gonna cure that. Right, and then finally I'm gonna apply top coat onto these nails, and then I'm done with the set. Right, so this is how this set looks. Very simple. I'm not sure if it's flattering, but the point of this video is to see how long these last. So let me get into putting these nails on. Right, so I'm just gonna put these on. I'm gonna put these with glue onto my right hand, and then the other ones with acrylic onto my left hand. I do have rubber base coat onto my nails already. I don't know if that would affect the lifespan of these, because usually rubber base, you know, it just sort of peels, but yeah, it's thicker, so my nails don't cover from side to side because of that. How embarrassing. Look at that, literally. But yeah, I do have rubber base coat. Maybe I should buff off the shine. I didn't think about that, so let me quickly buff off the shine of these. Okay, shine has been buffed. So okay, I'm just gonna carry on and apply these. I'll put these on. I don't know, maybe I should put some glue onto my nail as well as on the, that was sloppy, but anyway, let's ignore that, and also onto the nail itself, because that helps to adhere the nail. But anyway, see, now the glue is flooding. Right, and then onto this application using acrylic. It's the first time I apply or put on nails or press on nails using acrylic, so hope that works out. I'm using this number 10 brush from Shein. So I've seen a few videos of how to apply this. Apparently you're not supposed to be taking too much onto your brush. Let's move these so that, okay, so I hope that works. And then I'm just gonna wait for it to cure onto my nail like that. I've never done this before, so I hope it works. Oopsie, some spillage here. So I'm just gonna flatten it out. Right, feels quite tight, but I'm just gonna hold it on there for a bit longer. Right, and I think that is fine. And then I'm gonna repeat the same process onto the rest of the nails. Right, and then I'm not gonna forget to apply that cuticle oil, and then the weekly nail assessment begins hereafter. Right, so here we have it. I have both my nail sets on. Remember this hand, I used glue, nail glue. I used the Planet Nails Q2 glue. And then on this hand, I used clear acrylic to adhere these, to put these on. So today is the 12th of February. It is Sunday. So instead of doing day 1, day 2, day 3, I was confused the last time. I'm gonna go on from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is Sunday. So today is Sunday. I put these on Sunday and it is 3 p.m. but I'm going to be doing updates from tomorrow, which is Monday the 13th of February. It's Monday morning. Nails are still holding up fine. These are the acrylic ones. And then these are also holding up still well. Or well, still rather. And these are the nail glue ones. That's on a Monday. Tuesday morning, nails still intact. No lifting whatsoever. These are the acrylic ones. And these are the nail glue ones. Also doing good. No lifting whatsoever. It's Wednesday morning, nails still holding up fine. I just feel like this one is starting to lift a bit. This is the acrylic one, but it's not really lifting, but it's holding up quite well. And then on my right hand, the nail glue still holding up pretty well. So that's a Wednesday update. It's still Wednesday. I was opening the door, the car door, and that happened. So I guess that's over for these nails. And then for my acrylic nails, this one had started lifting, as you can see, but everything else is still intact basically. But I'm gonna take both my sets off. That's on a Wednesday afternoon, and that is that, you guys. So I decided to remove both the nail sets, like I said, on a Wednesday. We didn't even make it to Friday, but I did like the acrylic application. It was harder to remove. I couldn't film it. I was just exhausted. But yeah, I would prefer having to apply my press-ons using acrylic because they're stronger that way. Anyway, let me know which nail set was your favorite, which application is your favorite, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.